Here is our set A. It has 7 numbers inside the curly brackets. Our job is to find the pattern and describe this set using words. Let's read the numbers one by one. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Do you see something special? Each number is 3 more than the one before it. Let's check. 3 is 3 times 1, 6 is 3 times 2 and 9 is 3 times 3. These are all numbers we get when we count by threes. Let's keep going. 12 is 3 times 4, 15 is 3 times 5, 18 is 3 times 6, and 21 is 3 times 7. Yes, every single number is a multiple of 3. The smallest number is 3 and the biggest number is 21. So our set has multiples of 3 starting from 3 and going all the way up to 21. Now we can write it in words. Set A is the set of multiples of 3, starting from 3 and ending at 21. That's the descriptive form. You can also say it this way. A is the set of positive multiples of 3 that are less than or equal to 21. Both ways are correct. Great job. We found the pattern. All the numbers are multiples of 3. So the descriptive form is A is the set of multiples of 3 from 3 to 21. You did it.